Let's change the theme inside of VS Code. So to do this, go to File, then go to Preferences, then go to Theme, and you can click on Color Theme. You can also get here by hitting Control K and then following that up with Control T. It opens up this menu where you can scroll through and change the theme as you scroll. This gives you a preview of what the theme might look like on your current editor. Now I'm going to switch over to the light theme, so it might flashbang you, so just be ready for that. If we walk through all of the themes and go all the way to the top, we can actually get to browse additional color themes. And this will actually use the marketplace to look at any other additional color themes that you might want to choose. These are additional themes made by the community that allows you to download and then select any one of these to use them in your editor. Now, since these are from the marketplace, what we can do is we can actually search for them in the extensions. So if I exit out of this and then hit Control-Shift-X to open up the extensions menu, I can then type @category, and then I can scroll down till I find themes and hit enter. And this will also show me the themes that are available that I can then download from the extensions market. Once you select a theme from this menu, you actually are updating your workspace settings. So if we go into settings and then type theme, we have a setting for color theme, and this is the theme that you have set for your entire editor. Here you can also change the theme that you want to change it to, but these are only the ones that you currently have downloaded, so they aren't searching through the marketplace. And that is how you change themes inside of VS Code.